coding decoding question now. So just imagine there is a new kingdom called Ganit kingdom where they are using different words in their coded language. For example, scissor is called a chair, pen is called a book, table is called a fan, and chair is called an eraser. Now the question is, what do I cut with? When the question comes, you have to think as you belong to our kingdom. So what do you usually cut with? You usually cut with the scissors. But let's come back to the question now. So in their Ganit kingdom, they are not calling a scissor as a scissor. Instead, they are calling scissor as a chair. And now pen is called a book. And table is called a fan. And chair is called an eraser. So now this becomes your translation book. As I said, the question you have to think being in our kingdom. In our kingdom we cut with a scissor. But while going back to their kingdom, you can't ask a scissor. What you should ask instead, scissor is called a chair, so you should ask for a chair. So what do you cut with? You cut with a chair. The question says like, pineapple is called monkey, mango is called giraffe, pomegranate called as a fish, and grape is called a bird. Let the translation book now. Pineapple is called a monkey, mango is called a giraffe, pomegranate is called a fish. I am writing PO so that you should not confuse with pineapple and pomegranate. And pomegranate is called a fish and grape is called bird. So this becomes our new translation book. What is the question now? The question says, which fruit has bright red seeds which we eat? Now you should think the question, and in our kingdom, what is the fruit which has red seeds? It is obviously pomegranate. But going back to the Ganit kingdom, you can't ask for a pomegranate. Instead, what you should ask? You should ask for a fish. So pomegranate is mapped to fish in our translation book. So the fruit with the red seeds is fish.